These ones are fire, bro. I got like a number, time, date right there on the... What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Adidas is coming with some new technology. It looks like this is a collab shoe, 2 shoes into 1 with the NMD bottoms. Let me know what you guys know about these shoes in detail. Are you guys feeling these or not? Copping, passing? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section, obviously. I'm here at Foot Locker in Hollywood and Highland once again, as always, if I didn't already say that. Smash the like button for the effort. Smash the like button for these shoes. I was on a hunt for a few shoes and could not find them. These are not bad, though. It's like almost a New Balance top with a Ultra Boost or NMD bottom. I'm sure there's a totally different way to describe that, but that's just what it looks like to me off the bat. Almost like some Yeezys with some NMDs combined. Are you guys rocking with these or not? 140 price point. They got them in a few different colorways. D-Rups with something, like they're combining a lot of different shoes together. Are you guys feeling the combination of the shoes, or should they just keep it original? Let me know your true thoughts and opinions on that, because I don't know, they look kind of weird. They look dope but weird too. They are. Yeah, they stepped it up compared to the last couple that came out, you know what I mean? These are pretty dope though. Right. I want to see what other colorways they come with this shoe too, you know what I mean?
The all black boys gonna be hard.
Right, the bread ones, the breads, yep. These are fire though, man.
Have a blessed day, bro.
You too as well, thank you. What do you guys think about these? I'm gonna have to do these for MJ Monday. What do you guys think about these Puma Clydes, man? These are not bad. What is the name of these? As far as like what edition? These are kind of crazy though. Let me know what you guys think about these bad boys in the comment section below. Those are dope. And then of course, these ones down here. What is the consensus on this? I don't know. I need the feedback. You guys rocking with these new Pumas? Or you guys need to see another colorway or not? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below, you dig? Foot Locker, Hollywood and Highland, of course, as always. Okay, so as you see, I just left Foot Locker, got me another bag. We're gonna go home and check out these shoes. I don't think I showed them in the vlog, so you guys won't know what they are, so stay tuned for that video. And I'm out here to kill some time. I might go over to Undefeated once again and see what's there. But I just left this Foot Locker, Hollywood and Highland. They got a lot of product, man. They usually have everything you need as far as shoes, outfits, gear, all that type of stuff. You guys need to check this one out, and Shoe Palace. Let's go ahead and see what we got. In the meantime, I can go to Starbucks. And then, like I said, head on over to Undefeated. But hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. Share the video. Of course, subscribe to the channel if you are new. And let's get it. Now we're about to head back to the car, man. I just walked like 1.5 miles to go down to Chic to see if they had anything. The Chic in Hollywood was dry today, but they do get releases like Yeezys and foams and stuff like that. So now we are here at Hollywood and Highland once again. About to go back to the car and figure out where we're going to go after that. But I always think this intersection is crazy because you guys can, you know, you can cross in all directions. Most intersections don't have it like that, but I guess we're doing that to more places out here, especially in Hollywood. I think I mentioned this before to you guys, and I'm sure in some of your guys' city, this is common. But I think this is dope right here, the little 4-way cross signal. And this is one of the longest intersections I've ever seen. All right, let's go. Now we're going. Now we're walking. Now we're walking, now we're talking. You probably can't even see me because the sun is behind me. But at least you can see the intersection and how dope that is, right? Right. All walks of life out here in this BI. Can't believe I was supposed to work here, man. That would have been kind of cool. Never too late, never give up hope, but work at the Hollywood Highland Foot Locker would have been perfect. You know, the cookie crumbles all kinds of ways for people. It's gotta. What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully everybody's having a great day out there, wherever you are in the universe, man. NBA season is here, like day 2, something like that. Lakers about to start the game against Portland, and LeBron's debut as a Laker. What do you guys think is gonna happen? How the Lakers gonna finish this year? Anyway, I just want to know what you guys think about that because it's crazy. Of course, it's what a lot of people are talking about. I'm sure you guys might be watching the game. Without further ado, we're going to talk about what's in this box. Of course, you see the name James Harden. They came out with the Volume 3 about 2-3 days ago on the 15th of October. Let me know if you guys caught these, if you guys like them, if they're fire or not. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions, of course, where in the comment section. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you like what you see, smash that like button. Let's try to get to 100 likes at least on this video, and share the video with your people, you dig? Without further ado, let's get to what's in this box. As I said, the NBA season is upon us, so we gotta review some basketball shoes to see what's going on. Let me know if you guys cop these or not. You guys might know what they already are. They are the Harden 3s, the Harden Vol.3. Very dope shoe. The colorway is pretty fire. Let me open up this box real quick. The box is pretty dope, white with the gold little, you saw the Harden on that side, and you got Adidas logo here, and you have the James Harden logo on the box, of course. Inside the shoe is where the real heat is. Okay, like I said, it's where the real heat is. I saw these on shelves. You guys might have seen it in the video. These right here are dope, bro. Black and white colorway with some gray up in there. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. I'm gonna get this other one out the box. Wow, this is a very dope shoe, and they did some things this time, which I think some Hardens have done too before, but this one a little bit more so. They got some support right here for people like me, or just anybody who need Achilles tendon support. I don't know why I'm starting off there, but this is a basketball shoe. We talk basketball stuff, and just overall, this is a dope shoe. But this, if you guys notice, like, it's a low cut here, but this comes up to give you that really comfortable Achilles and ankle support. For those of you who like to wear low top shoes and worried about ankle support, this really sticks out. The material is really dope. It's like I don't know, it's like some type of weird fabric that moves. Like when you go up, it kind of like, I don't know if that shows what I'm saying. Like you go up, it's like one way, and I don't really know how to explain that, but it gives you really good support from what I've been told as far as for your Achilles. And man, I can't wait till I'm able to do some performance reviews for you guys, because I'm a basketball player at heart, but with my Achilles injury, I can't play ball at least till December. But I will do my best to give you guys all the feedback I can from other people, and maybe we'll get some performance reviews with some of my friends in the video or something like that. That's an idea that I've been having for a while. Back to these shoes though. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these shoes. Do you guys like these? Are they fire or not? I think the colorway is dope. The materials they have on here is, I don't even know. I have to look on the details of it. The fabric, I'm not too sure, but it's definitely like a nice, I don't know, some fabric that feels like it might be able to maneuver with your foot. Almost like a knit, but I don't want to say it's a knit. It might be a knit. It's really thick though. Looks like it will support you well. All boost on the midsole. This is what separates James Harden shoes and the Adidas basketball shoes from other shoes. They have full-on boost for the most part throughout the whole shoe, from heel to toe. Boost, that black midsole, all black. Boost, that's fire in my opinion. You got this elastic band that really kind of secures your foot up in there. It's real stretchy. Helps you when you turn in angles and stuff, I'm sure. With these, I guess, stars or X's or crosses, whatever's on it, with James Harden signature on both shoes. The inside of the shoe, the medial side, not remedial side, but the inside of the shoe. Forgive me for that. The inside of the shoe has what is that? Because I was about to say 3, but it looks like an X111. I don't know. I got to figure out what that is right there. Let me know if you guys know in the comment section. This looks dope though. This design on the inside of the shoe, different from the outside of the shoe, with the 3 stripes branding, as all Adidas shoes do have. Harden logo on the tongue with like some nice leather, on the tongue right here, and on the inside of the tongue it says Lucky. Lucky, as you can see right there. And of course, we're gonna get the up close and personal details of these shoes with that light on it, so you guys can see the detailed work on the shoe. The outsole is white base with like a marble type of print on it. Got the Harden logo here. Very dope shoe. These are definitely a shoe that you would want to wear for indoor use. Also, outdoor use will be okay, kind of, if you're not going too hard, like if you're guarding something. But I recommend to use these as an indoor shoe, because that's just what the soles feel like. The blades are, what's the word I want to use? The material that's used here is kind of, I want to say thin, so it don't look like it would have too much grip on the outside court, if that makes sense. It definitely feels more and seems more like an indoor use shoe. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes, the colorway to the design. If you guys own any Hardens, let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. By far right now, probably the top Adidas basketball shoe that is out right now is the Harden. If there is another one, comment below what you guys think is better. And yeah, man, Adidas on the back. What can I say about these besides they're fire? Of course, we're going to get the up close and personal views and an on feet. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. It's your boy Bossco. I appreciate you watching the video, clicking and all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights of these shoes. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Deuces. Real quick, I just realized something as I did the playback. This is 3M. This right here is 3M. That's pretty fire. You can see it on both sides. I was wondering why on the playback it was shining. But this is 3M. I wonder if this is too. But anyway, you guys will see that in the up close and personal details as your boy Bossco brings. Holla at your boy, man. We out. Deuce.
The exclusive list. What up, world? You know when I said the diamonds was on prom date, I meant they was dancing under the dog light. In New York, I'm Millie Raw. Got it in my sock, 50 out the wall, and I push re-raw. Got it in my sock, got a little thought. That's a little boat, boy, that's a little yeah. I just like, let me get this shit for real though. I get money, 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 motherfucker, like I'm Jordan. It's the nigga flying foreign, make your bitches not important. Millie rocking through the city, pop a pity by the garden. No, you niggas can't afford it, and these bitches can't ignore me. I dish it like Dory. I'm with some white shorty, and the bitch is like 40. She singing Mike Shorey in the port loose, riding out the porch, cool gliding. If you try me, nigga, I'll be off the porch, stoop sliding. It's just me and Lil Aggie, Portuguese, Lil Baddie, pouring drink off in the soda.
Blast that shit back if you blasting. Hey, Uber X to Hidden Hills, give